Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're continuing our Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build. We have stage 125, part of issue 33. We've been working on building the gurney, and I can't wait to see what we do now. So let's take a look at what parts we get into the build. And here are the parts we get with this package. We have the left rear wheel leg. We actually have two left rear leg fixings. I'm not sure why we would need two, but okay. We have the wheel lock pole, wheel lock. We've got the folding leg upper, folding leg lower. We've got the left rear wheel, and we've also got proton pack support brackets. We got two of them, and proton pack supports, two of those as well, and a whole mess of screws. All right, we're gonna kick things off by getting the wheel into the left rear leg. Just as before, it's gonna slide right in, and an FM screw on either side to hold it in place. Whew, got that one in. Let's see what's next. All right, this is gonna suck. I'm just gonna put that out there right now. We've got the folding leg lower and the folding leg upper, and they basically look like this, and they're going to go together like this. Now, orientation is key here, okay? With this, you can make sure the hook is facing like up. With this one, there's like a divot here where the screw will go in, and you got this little hook coming off to the side. That little hook needs to face the lower leg, so it goes like this, basically. So it's gonna suck, but we'll do our best, and we're gonna be using an ABM screw to hold everything in place. All right, well, I hope I got that in tight enough. It does seem to be a little loosey-goosey, but this thing is just an absolute pain. And what we're gonna do with this is, in this orientation where the hook is facing up, we're gonna put it right here on the tab on the lower leg here. We're gonna attach it with an AM screw. All right, so it should fold like this, and we can move on. All right, for this next bit, this is gonna be fun. Okay, right here and right here on the gurney, we have areas for these hooks to go in. And basically, we're gonna do them one at a time. We'll start with the main hook right here, and then we'll extend this out and put that here. And once in, we're gonna cover it with one of these little leg fixers, wheel fixers, whatever you want to call them, and attach it with an FM screw. I'm going to do that for both. All right, look at that. Looks nice. Let's see what's next. All right, now we're going to take the wheel lock pull here. We're going to fit it into the base that we got in the last stage, just like so. And we're going to use an AP screw to hold it in place. All right, look at that. All right, next up, we've got the wheel lock, which is going to go right on top. And we're going to be using an EP screw to hold it in place. All right, just like this. And we're gonna come in here we're going to attach this to the base right here, and then of course pop the lock onto the leg to finish it off. And there we go. 2 legs. Look at that. Look at how that folds. That is beautiful. And of course, the one from the last stage. So now we have one side of the legs fully assembled. Awesome. What's next? All right, next up, fairly simple. We're gonna take the proton pack support and the support bracket. And basically they go together in this orientation, just like this. And we're gonna be using 2 GP screws to hold it in place. And then we're gonna repeat the process for the other set of brackets. And there you go. 2 sets of those all done. And of course, the second leg for the gurney. Man, things are definitely looking up, but we still have a lot to go just to finish this gurney. Sadly, that is the end of stage 125, so that'll be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.